Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see a InfyTQ previous coding problem which is longest prefix same as suffix. See the problem statement here. You will be given an input string and you need to print the length of the longest prefix which is same as suffix in the given string. And if you won't able to find the prefix and suffix, then in that case you need to print -1. Now observe the scenario. Let me take this string. Now let me observe the prefix and suffix for this. The prefix is x and the suffix is yz. Observe, is the prefix equal to suffix? No. In that case you need to print -1. Like that, if you can able to find the prefix which is equal to suffix and it is longest one, then you need to print its length. Observe this example. We are having 4 a's, right? Observe, for this a, what is the prefix? Nothing. Suffix is single a. So prefix is not equal to suffix. For this one, prefix is a, suffix is 3 a's. So this is not the case. And if you take this a, prefix is a and suffix is also a. Prefix equal to a and suffix equal to a, right? Here prefix equal to suffix and its length is 2. Yes, it is satisfied. For this, prefix is 3 a's and suffix is single a. Here also prefix not equal to suffix. So in this example, the longest prefix which is same as suffix is a and its length is 2. So print that length. I hope the problem statement is clear. Now let me show you how to do that. Take the example. Here we are having 4 a's, right? Now observe here. Here the criteria is what? Longest prefix which is also same as suffix. When we will get the longest prefix, if we can able to start at middle of the string, we can get the longest prefix, right? What is its length? Here the length is 4, right? So 4 by 2 means start with the index 2 start here. Now check, prefix is 2s and suffix is 2s. Yes, satisfied. Prefix equal to suffix, satisfied. If prefix equal to suffix not satisfied, then in that case you need to move a little bit left and another little bit left. Like this you need to continue the process. If you won't able to find prefix equal to suffix, then in that case print -1 as output. Now let me show you how to code for this problem. Observe here. First we need to read the string, right? S equal to input of enter the string. Now observe, we read the string. Now we need to take the length. N equal to length of s and n holds the length of the string. Now observe, for index in range, for index in range n by 2, as I said we need to start at middle, right? N by 2 until we reach 0 and -1 we need to decrement by 1 each time, and prefix is nothing but prefix equal to s colon index, means from starting to up to that index we need to take the elements characters which is nothing but prefix of that character. Suffix equal to s of n minus index colon all the remaining. From that element to the end of the string you need to take the suffix. Now observe, what is our condition? If prefix equal to suffix, then we found that longest prefix which is same as suffix, right? In that case we need to break. Let me take a flag variable here, initialize it to 0 initially, flag equal to 0. Now flag equal to 1 and break, which means whenever we find the longest prefix same as suffix, the flag value will become 1, right? Now observe, if flag equal to 1, which means yes, we find the longest prefix same as suffix. In that case you need to print length of the prefix. If you won't found the longest prefix same as suffix, in that case what we need to print? We need to print of -1. Now let me save this code and let me run here. Observe, what is the input we need to give? We need to give the input as 4 a's. right? A. Observe, we got the output as 2. Now observe, let me give you one more thing. Let me run one more time here. MADAM, 1, right? The longest prefix which is same as suffix is 1 in this case. Now observe, one more time I am going to run. Race. Yeah, here race. Yes, -1. Because here there is a no prefix is matching with the suffix. In that case, we need to print -1. And in this way, you need to solve the prefix and suffix problems. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe.